Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and buy your favorite tickets from Vivid Seats on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, make sure that you've downloaded and installed Vivid Seats by opening App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever device you are on, and searching for Vivid Seats. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and download and install this application and tap on open. Now, all you need to do is first things first. On the top, there's going to be, so for me, as you can see, it says Texas, USA. Simply tap on that and you can simply select any location that you are currently based in. And now, for example, let's say I want to watch this Christian Wildcats football. Now, all I'm going to do is just tap on that and simply go ahead and select the Texas events near me, or you could go ahead and select anything that's near you. Now you can simply go ahead and select your seats, whichever that you want to. And once you've selected it, you can simply go ahead and select your quantities as well. You can buy up to 2 tickets right over here and click on checkout. Once you've done that, it will ask you to go ahead and sign in and enter your payment details, whether it is credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, and many, many more. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you.